Imagine a world where Earth isn't dominated by carbon-based life, but instead hosts silicon-based organisms. Plants wouldn't be green, but metallic in color. Animals wouldn't have organic bones, but mineral structures, and the atmosphere would be fundamentally different from what we know today. What if humans themselves were silicon-based beings? How would life evolve in such a world? While we often assume that life must be carbon-based, NASA and other scientific organizations are seriously considering the possibility of silicon-based life. In fact, we might even discover such life forms on other planets in the future. Envisioning this reality opens up new possibilities for how life could thrive beyond our understanding. As we explore these hypothetical ecosystems, we begin to understand the diverse forms life could take under different chemical conditions. These communities would flourish in ways we can only imagine, reshaping our understanding of biology and culture. Education and knowledge sharing would take on new forms as these life forms adapt to their unique environment. All known life on Earth is based on carbon, primarily due to its ability to form a vast range of complex molecules such as DNA and proteins, which are essential for life. Carbon's stability and versatility allow for long-term biological processes, making it a crucial element in sustaining life as we know it. Carbon compounds dissolve easily in water, making them ideal for biological chemistry, which is a key factor in the diversity of life on Earth. While silicon shares similarities with carbon due to its 4 valence electrons, the question remains, why didn't silicon-based life evolve naturally on Earth? Exploring the potential barriers to silicon-based life forms highlights the unique role that carbon plays in the evolution of life on our planet. The exploration of carbon's unparalleled versatility versus silicon's limitations opens up fascinating discussions about life's possibilities beyond Earth. As we delve deeper into understanding why carbon-based life is dominant, questions arise about the potential for different life forms existing in the universe. Investigating these questions not only enhances our knowledge of life's building blocks, but also ignites curiosity about the diverse forms that life could take in different environments. What conditions would be needed for silicon-based life? Silicon isn't as flexible as carbon, but in certain extreme conditions it could support life. Such conditions include high temperatures. Silicon remains stable at temperatures up to 1400 degrees C, meaning life could thrive in volcanic or high-heat environments. Low oxygen atmosphere. On Earth, silicon quickly binds with oxygen to form silicon dioxide, sand or glass, which is solid and not suited for biological processes. However, on planets with less oxygen, this wouldn't be an issue. Different solvents. Instead of water, silicon-based organisms might rely on liquid ammonia, methane, or other exotic fluids for their biological processes. NASA scientists suggest that silicon-based life could theoretically exist on planets like Titan or Io, where such extreme conditions prevail. How would silicon-based life have evolved on Earth? If Earth had a silicon-based biosphere, life would look drastically different. What would plants look like? Carbon-based plants are green because of chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis. Silicon-based plants might be metallic or black to absorb different types of radiation. Instead of absorbing water, they could use ammonia or other exotic solvents for survival. Their blood could be liquid silicon or another heat-resistant fluid. What would animals look like? Silicon-based animals would have bodies completely different from any known life form. Instead of organic bones, their skeletal structures might be made of crystalline or mineral compounds. They might consume metals and minerals instead of organic food. Some NASA researchers have explored the metalloid life theory, which suggests that silicon-based organisms could extract energy from metals instead of carbohydrates. A silicon-based Earth would be dramatically different, where the atmosphere is rich in hydrogen and methane instead of oxygen and nitrogen. In this transformed world, oceans and rivers would be replaced by liquid ammonia, giving rise to unimaginable aquatic life forms. Life might not originate from oceans, but instead from the buzzing energy of lava-rich volcanic zones, nurturing new forms of existence. Under such conditions, carbon-based life as we know it wouldn't exist, allowing for the emergence of unique and unexplored life forms. These new life forms would challenge our understanding of biology, evolving in ways we can scarcely imagine on a carbon-based Earth. In this extraordinary biosphere, ecosystems would develop unique interdependencies, forming complex relationships unlike anything we've seen on our planet. The landscape would consist of stunning geological formations where mountains and valleys are shaped by the unique properties of silicon. This silicon-based Earth would not only host alien life, but also witness the rise of civilizations unlike anything seen before, where art and technology intertwine seamlessly with nature. Scientists believe that silicon-based life could be realistic on certain exoplanets and moons. Some potential candidates include Titan-rich in hydrocarbons with liquid methane lakes, making it inhospitable for carbon-based life, but possibly suitable for silicon-based life. NASA's telescopes are searching for silicon-friendly environments on exoplanets like K218b. Could we one day discover entirely new life forms that aren't based on carbon at all? As we explore the cosmos, the dream of finding silicon-based life continues to ignite the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. With advances in technology and exploration, possibilities once thought to be mere speculation become increasingly plausible. The quest for knowledge drives humanity forward with each discovery, bringing us closer to understanding the nature of life itself. Each finding holds the potential to redefine our understanding of biology and the diversity of life in the universe. The exploration of these distant worlds invites us to rethink what it means to be alive and the myriad forms existence can take. What if humans were silicon-based? If humanity evolved with silicon instead of carbon, we would have crystalline or semi-fluid bodies instead of organic flesh. Process information like AI as silicon is also the foundation of modern computer chips. Possess completely different metabolic processes, likely based on metal interactions rather than food and oxygen. Some scientists even speculate that silicon-based life could be the next step for humanity through nanotechnology and transhumanism research. Conclusion: silicon-based life isn't just a science fiction concept, but a serious scientific hypothesis. What do you think? Could silicon-based life actually exist somewhere in the universe? Subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing scientific theories and discoveries.